one of the most versatile 7-seat vehicles on the road today. This is the brand new model, Land Rover Discovery, but it's an R-Dynamic HSE with a D300 engine, which is a 3-litre Ingenium diesel engine producing 300 brake horsepower. The R-Dynamic is all the styling. Now this one's got loads of extras. In the Santorini Black, which is a metallic black, we've only 193 miles on, 23 registration, which means it's got the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty all the way up to 2026. Now remember, this is a big SUV. Great on running cost, but it's a 7-seater, lots of boot space, cabin space, and the features that this car gives you, you really can't want much more. On the new model Discoveries, they have given you a great deal of standard, but like I said, this one has got a few extras, starting off with a black styling pack. Now, if you have watched our previous videos, we are always talking about black styling packs on cars, and it does, aesthetically, it makes a car look slightly stealthier, sportier, whatever you want to call it. But on the black car, with the black badging, the grills, the inserts, the R-Dynamic with the triple fins on the corners there. The new model car also gives you 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, and this car also has adaptive cruise control. You've then got things like the LED daytime running lights with the full adaptive LED daytime running lights as well. But then this car's also got adaptive dynamic pack on it. So yes, they do come with electric air suspension, which is brilliant, so you can have access height and you can raise it to get more ground clearance. But the adaptive dynamics, it's really good because constantly it's monitoring the drive and it's changing to give you the smoothest, more comfortable ride every single time. And that's really clever because it's such a difficult spec to get on the older Discovery. So that the fact that this car's got it, it really does make a difference. Another big extra on this car is the 22-inch alloy wheels. So that's something you expect on the HSE. So this being the R-Dynamic HSE, with them wheels on, really, it looks like a HSE. You've then got the colour-coded arches front and rear, fixed mud flaps front and rear, and the fixed side steps. These are all extras. You've then got the high-gloss black roof rails, sun protection glass, and the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. As for the interior, well, it's absolutely stunning. It's comfortable, it's spacious, like I said, Meridian sound system. You've got electric seats there, heated seats, touchscreen media system with a new screen, full digital dash, multifunctional steering wheel. You've got the short shifter gear stick there, centre armrest with the captain's seat. And then as you get in here, as I mentioned, there's loads of space. You're nice and high up. Top dash here, and then the bottom dashboard. You've also got a cubby hole just behind here to hide your wallet or your glasses. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, onboard computer. It's got literally everything. The dual zone climate control, 2 keys, twin cup holders, and you can slide this compartment forward, which then creates a huge cubby hole down below. More compartments underneath the climate zone, and the centre armrest lifts up with more cubby hole space as well, and USB and USB-C. It's diesel, it's 7-seater, cracking spec. It's 4-wheel drive, so it's brilliant on the road and absolutely amazing off the road. As for the middle row passengers, they get the same perforated seats with the white stitching. Every passenger gets a 3-point seat belt. This centre section comes down, which is also an armrest with twin cup holders, and there's 12-volt sockets and USBs all the way around the car. But remember, this is a 7-seater, so the third row seating is not just emergency seats, it's huge. Another big feature on this car is the electric deployable tow bar from the factory. Very expensive, but it's nice to have. When you're not using it, you can press a button, like I'm going to show you now, and it folds away. LED style rear lighting system, automatic tailgate with a split tailgate. You can press that button, this drops down, you can sit on it no problem. Rear partial self cover, and like I say, you press that button and the tow bar goes away. The seats are very easy to use, so if you're not going to use all 7 seats, you've got a massive boot space in effect. Press that button and that goes down again. The car's done 193 miles, so when I say it's immaculate, it's literally brand new in every single way, exterior and interior. And like I said, with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, just extra peace of mind. The driver does get memory seats, electric windows and mirrors, push button start, paddle shift, full TFT digital dashboard there, which you can configure if you wish to do so. Stereo controls and Bluetooth controls, lane assist, cruise control there, which is adaptive, and the limiter as well. Put it into reverse and your 360 camera system kicks into play. High definition, very easy to use, and you've got the off-road camera system as well. The gear shifter is also easy, R for reverse, N for neutral, D for drive, and then press the P button to park it. You can't really want much more out of a car. This does everything if you're looking for a 7-seater, a good, nice, high up, with great running cost. This one's just arrived. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.